day, everyone. Welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. Kumusta po kayo? Today is June 21. So gusto ko lang i-review itong Division Memorandum number 331 dito po sa aming division, Series of 2024. Ito po ay may title na Results-Based Performance Management System for School Year 2024-2025 for School-Based Personnel and Curriculum Year 2024 for SDO Personnel. All right. So kung matatandaan po ninyo, mayroong Executive Order number 61, ibinaba noong June 3. So through this Executive number 61, syempre karamihan ng mga kaguro ay nalito. Ano ba talaga? Kasi suspension, yung Executive number 61 is all about the suspension. Pero kung papansin niyo po, ibinaba po siya noong June 3. Ang school year ng 2023-2024 ay nag-end noong May 31. So meaning, tapos na yung school year 2023-2024. Ang understanding ng karamihan is suspended din yung paggawa ng IPCRF. Pero kung isususpend ang paggawa ng IPCRF, paano yung performance rating mo for the school year 2023-2024? If ever na dumating yung time na kailangan mong magpa-promote, kailangan mo ng performance rating, ano yung performance rating gagamitin mo? So, ibig sabihin, base din dun sa Executive Order number 61, kaya po siya sinususpende for review. Ibig sabihin, i-review lang yung dalawang ano na yun, yung dalawang executive order at ang isa ay administrative order. Yung isa is about performance base, yung RPMS, yung isa naman is sa mga incentives naman. Okay? So in connection with that, tunghayan po natin itong ibinaba sa amin, sa division lang naman po namin. Though may mga comments na akong nababasa sa isang social media, sa isang content creator din. Sabi paano yung ano namin, nagbaba yung aming principal na ganito ganyan, gagawa kami ng IPCRF. At meron din akong isang napanood na content creator na principal. Sabi nga niya, nag-aantay lang sila as school head ng order from the central about the matter. At ito na nga, mismong from our SDS, nagbaba po siya ng isang memorandum with regards to results-based performance management system for the school year 2024-2025 for school-based personnel and calendar year 2024 for SDO personnel. So bagamat ito ay exclusive sa aming division, possibly ay di malayo na sa inyo may magbababa rin ng order ng memorandum na ganito sa mga divisions kung saan man kayo nandoon. Okay, sabi po dito, pursuant to DepEd Order number 2 Series 2015 entitled Guidelines on the Establishment and Implementation of the Results-Based Performance Management System RPMS in the Department of Education, this office announces the timeline of the submission of the following. So RPMS cycle, phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1, submission of performance planning and commitment using the new OPCRF template by July 26, 2024 sa school head, and June 28, 2024, baka July 28 yan, SDO. Phase 2, accomplishment of PMC. And then, mid-year performance review and revisiting the Performance Commitment and Development Plans, July 18, 2024 is the unit head and ratees. Ayan po yung mga dates. Pero ang gusto ko talagang is emphasize po dito itong number 2. Moreover, as per agreed and consultation among the members of the Division Performance Management Team, PMT, the OPCRF, the school head, and IPCRF of teaching and non-teaching school-based personnel for school year 2023-2024 shall be submitted earlier but not later than August 7, 2024. So, ayan po So, yung mga nalilito, kung magpapasa nga ba sila at maggagawa ng kanilang IPCRF, kung sa amin, sa division po namin, definitely gagawa po kami. Kung may ganito po kaming memorandum sa division po namin, definitely parehas din sa inyo. Kaya wag na po kayong malito. Ang suspension sa Executive Order number 61, hindi naman para ihinto. Kasi tama nga naman yung school head po namin. Paano na yung nasa isip ko rin po yun paano na yung performance rating mo? Sa isang school year na yan, wala kang performance rating. Paano kung kailanganin mo for promotion in the future? So ito, para ma-cover up po yun, definitely, we have to submit, accomplish it. Besides, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, tapos na yung school year 2023-2024 nung nagkaroon ng suspension. Ibig sabihin, dapat may output, nagkaroon tayo ng output dun. At sayang naman yung 4 na CO mo, di ba? Pinaghandaan mo yun, grand COT, di ba? Every time na may CO, laging grand observation. So, sayang naman po yun kung hindi po natin ipaparate. So, habang may mahigit isang buwan pa naman yung deadline on or before August 7. So, yun lamang po. Sana nakatulong po ito, nakapag-clear out po sa inyo, sa mga nalilito, kung mag-create nga ba o hindi. Ito na po. Sa amin po ito, sa division po namin, but definitely, kung sa division po namin nagbaba ng ganitong memorandum, definitely, and most likely, sa inyo rin. Alright? Maging matatag lang po tayo dahil as a teacher, we should know kung ano yung mundo natin. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscription button and hit the notification bell all. Maraming pong salamat. Happy learning.